Hello student, welcome to my channel SZ Education Tutorial. This video for 5th standard English chapter number 18 Wets in the Garden. Question number 1, rearrange the statement in the order of occurrence in the passage. Next, question number 2, complete the following, and question number 3, complete the following table. Positive, comparative, superlative. Then activity based on grammar. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, simple past tense. Number 2, simple present tense. Next, personal response. What do you think did Anshuman father want to tell him? Answer ये है, आप लिख लीजिए. Next, textual additional question. Question number 1. Write the answer to the following question. I have written this lesson myself for the convenience of students. If you write question answer, you can stop my video and complete your workbook. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर करें. थैंक यू.